Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another summertime swap reveal. This artist that I will be featuring today, her name is Chauntee Pringle, and the name of her business is So Creative. I am going to leave all of Miss Chauntee's information down in the description box. You all, if you see something that you would like for her to make or create for you, please get in contact with her. Chauntee, I want to thank you so very much, Queen, for allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. We greatly appreciate all your gifts and talents and for allowing yourself to be a blessing to others. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, everyone. So she sent her package in this vanilla envelope and I have opened it. I'm going to take out all of her goodies. It's a lot of gorgeous, beautiful things that I already see that's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to figure out, let's see what we have. So this is for July. That's beautiful. This is for August and this is for June. Okay, so on the back of her items, she has her description: summertime fun for the month of June, rainbow tassel and dream catcher fringe earrings. Wow, that's different. That is different. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, these are fringe earrings. Okay, oh, look at these. Excuse me, y'all. My nose. Allergies. I sneezed away from the items, okay? Look at these. These are cute. This is different. Never seen anything done like this before. And here are some fringe. These are some, let me see, these are called fringe earrings. Oh, look at these. So this is another pair. So you get 2 pair of earrings, y'all. Excuse me for my nose. Okay. So this is for the month of June. Summertime fun swap. This is really cute. So you're going to get 2 pair of earrings. This is the dream catcher ones. And this is the fringe earrings. Okay. So we're going to put these back. And we're going to get to our next item. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go to the month of July. And the month of July is called Summertime Fling. Okay, these are really cute. Look at these. You get a matching set of bracelets. And these have some gorgeous charms on it. You get one with a fish, one with a star. Those are really cute. And then this one has a fish, life is good charm on here. And this is another charm and another fish. And these are stretch. So these are some beautiful items, Chauntee. Excellent, excellent job. Excellent job. I love the colors. It's like a turquoise with like a turquoise blue with like yellow. Not a bright yellow, but it's something with a hint of a color in it. So this was for the month of July, and this was Summertime Fling. Yep, stretch bracelets. So the very last swap that I am going to do is going to be for the month of August. Now, this set right here, this is gorgeous. Like, now when I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. This is for the month of August, and it's Summertime Extravaganza set. And it has the earrings, the ring, the bracelet. And she said it's made with love. And we know that, Miss Chauntee. We appreciate you so very much, Queen. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to make sure I have all of her information in the description box. So the very first thing I'm pulling out is the, wow, look, wow, wow. This is a ring. This is a ring. Like, this is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Thinking outside of the box. Yes, yes. Gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here is another bracelet. And this is on a stretchy cord. And this definitely is very, very festive. Like, this hands down is definitely extravaganza. Because of the colors, this is just so festive. So this has love on it and a beautiful flower. Let me take off this ring. I'm too comfortable, y'all. But this is cute, Chauntee. Awesome, awesome job. The next one we have, this is another bracelet. And this just has a charm hanging down from it. Okay. And these, whoa. Whoa, these are the earrings. Look at these. Wait a minute, hold up. You got to go to the side. We got to give some room for these earrings here. Look at these earrings. Look at these earrings. Wow. Awesome sauce. These are gorgeous. I love this print right here. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Look what y'all getting, queens. Look at what you're getting. All this awesomeness right here. So this is a gorgeous pair of earrings. They're nice and big. You get a matching ring to go with it. And you get two beautiful bracelets. How gorgeous is this? This is a complete set. That's gorgeous. Hands down gorgeous. Awesome job, Miss Chauntee. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. I cannot say it enough. Oh, gosh. I'm just so blown away. This was the swap of all swaps. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank those of you who have decided to be on this journey with me this week, with me showcasing these swaps. You know, these ladies are doing their thing. Like, they are bringing it. Like, they are bringing it. Like, when I say bringing it, I mean hands down, they are bringing it. All right, so I'm going to shut my mouth. So, y'all, I got a couple more swaps that's going to be coming. There's a couple more that I am going to be doing videos on. So just bear with me. I'm going to be doing the drawing this Friday and Jewelry Talk Live. So if y'all want to join me for that, join me for the Jewelry Talk Live this Friday. It's going to start at 8 o'clock p.m. And I'm going to be showcasing all this goodness right here. So I want to thank y'all for watching. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please hit that all button bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.